aging is inevitable, but the way we age is not set in stone. After 50, subtle habits and daily choices can accelerate the visible and invisible effects of aging. You may notice more wrinkles, sagging skin, low energy, joint discomfort, or even slower cognitive function, but much of this is influenced by decisions you make every day. Understanding the mistakes that speed up aging is crucial, because with awareness and adjustments, you can slow the clock, protect your health, and even regain vitality that you thought was lost. The first mistake many people make after 50 is neglecting strength training. Muscle mass naturally declines with age in a process called sarcopenia. If you are not lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises, your muscles gradually shrink. Weak muscles affect posture, balance, and metabolism, making you appear frailer and more aged than your years. But strength training does more than just keep muscles strong. It supports bone density, reduces the risk of falls, improves insulin sensitivity, and maintains energy levels. People who continue to challenge their muscles into their 50s and 60s often move with confidence, retain better posture, and look healthier overall. Strength is the hidden fountain of youth that most overlook. The second common mistake is ignoring skin protection. Sun exposure is a major contributor to wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and even skin cancer. Many adults over 50 assume sunscreen is only necessary for beach days, but UV rays penetrate clouds and windows, meaning daily exposure can gradually damage your skin. Without proper protection, your skin loses elasticity faster, collagen breaks down, and pigmentation issues appear. Using sunscreen every day, wearing hats, and avoiding prolonged direct sunlight is not just a cosmetic choice, it is a critical anti-aging habit that preserves both health and appearance. Another mistake is chronic dehydration. As we age, our sense of thirst declines, and many adults do not drink enough water. Dehydration affects nearly every system in the body. Skin becomes dull and less elastic, joints feel stiffer, digestion slows, and even cognitive function can be impaired. Drinking adequate water supports circulation, flushes toxins, maintains skin hydration, and keeps muscles and joints working smoothly. Adding hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables or herbal teas further protects your body from the accelerated wear and tear that comes with dehydration. A fourth mistake is poor sleep hygiene. Sleep is not optional, it is essential for cell repair, hormone regulation, and cognitive function. Adults over 50 often experience changes in sleep patterns, but consistently getting insufficient or low-quality sleep accelerates aging in multiple ways. The body produces less human growth hormone and collagen during poor sleep, which can lead to sagging skin, decreased muscle mass, and slower recovery from physical activity. Chronic sleep deprivation also impacts brain function, increasing forgetfulness, mood swings, and stress levels. Prioritizing restorative sleep with a consistent schedule, limiting screens before bed, and creating a calming nighttime routine slows aging from the inside out. The fifth and perhaps most overlooked mistake is poor nutrition. After 50, metabolism slows and the body's ability to absorb nutrients efficiently declines. Eating a diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats accelerates cellular aging. Excess sugar, for example, attaches to proteins in a process called glycation, which damages collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles, stiffness in joints, and sagging skin. On the other hand, nutrient-rich foods, lean proteins, colorful vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains support muscle maintenance, skin health, brain function, and overall vitality. Micronutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids are especially critical for maintaining youthful skin, strong bones, and cognitive resilience. Many people also underestimate the cumulative effect of stress. Chronic stress produces excess cortisol, which accelerates muscle breakdown, promotes fat storage around the midsection, damages skin, and weakens the immune system. Mindfulness practices, meditation, gentle movement, and social connection are all critical ways to manage stress and slow biological aging. People who integrate stress reduction into their routines tend to have lower inflammation, better hormone balance, and more energy well into their later decades. Aging is also accelerated by sedentary habits. Sitting for long periods without movement affects circulation, weakens muscles, and contributes to stiffness and poor posture. Even small changes, like standing during phone calls, taking short walks, or doing light stretches, improve circulation, stimulate metabolism, and reduce the appearance and impact of aging on joints and muscles. The human body was designed to move, and consistent activity is one of the most effective anti-aging strategies. Another often ignored factor is social connection. Loneliness and isolation are linked to accelerated cognitive decline, higher stress, and even a shorter lifespan. Maintaining meaningful relationships, engaging in community activities, and staying socially active not only improves mood but also protects brain health. Emotional and social well-being has a tangible impact on physical aging, influencing everything from hormone balance to inflammation levels. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are classic aging accelerators that remain relevant past 50. Both disrupt skin elasticity, deplete essential nutrients, and increase oxidative stress, leading to premature wrinkles, sagging, and internal organ strain. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol intake dramatically reduces these risks and slows visible and internal aging processes. Every year free of these habits contributes to a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. It is important to realize that aging is influenced by multiple interconnected systems. Muscle health, skin health, sleep, nutrition, hydration, stress management, and lifestyle habits all converge to determine how fast or slow you age. One weak link can accelerate the process, but addressing multiple areas consistently produces a synergistic effect. The body is remarkably resilient and responsive, and even after 50, positive changes yield visible and measurable benefits. Some people assume that expensive creams, supplements, or cosmetic procedures are the primary solution for aging. While they can help, the truth is that lifestyle choices have the greatest impact on how you age. A consistent regimen of strength training, proper hydration, quality sleep, stress management, balanced nutrition, sun protection, and social engagement is more powerful than any topical or cosmetic solution. These habits influence the aging process at the cellular level, protecting your body from oxidative stress, inflammation, and structural decline. Let us take strength training as an example. A 50-year-old who lifts weights 2 to 3 times per week can maintain muscle mass, bone density, and metabolism far more effectively than someone relying on diet or creams alone. This preserves posture, mobility, and physical independence. Similarly, drinking sufficient water, getting quality sleep, and eating a nutrient-dense diet protect the skin, organs, and nervous system, producing a more youthful appearance and resilient health. Even small habits make a difference. Strength training without proper nutrition or hydration will produce weaker results. Prioritizing sleep without managing stress may still accelerate cellular aging. Aging is a holistic process, and slowing it requires attention to multiple interconnected habits. It is also worth emphasizing that genetics influence aging, but they are not the whole story. Lifestyle choices and daily habits can significantly override genetic predispositions. Studies consistently show that people who maintain physical activity, balanced nutrition, social engagement, stress control, and proper sleep age slower and remain healthier than those who rely solely on genetics. This means that after 50, it is absolutely possible to take control of the aging process and improve quality of life, vitality, and appearance. Finally, remember that aging is not something to fear. It is a natural process that can be shaped by your choices. Avoiding these common mistakes empowers you to take control of your health and appearance. Each day presents an opportunity to strengthen your muscles, nourish your body, hydrate, protect your skin, sleep well, and manage stress. These intentional decisions create the difference between accelerated decline and graceful, strong aging. After 50, every choice matters more than ever. Mistakes compound, but so do positive actions. And balanced nutrition are the cornerstones of anti-aging strategies that work. By focusing on these areas, you can look and feel younger, maintain energy, and preserve the independence that allows you to live life fully. Aging does not have to be a decline. It can be a process of continued strength, health, and vitality, guided by smart choices every day.